started something, gonna tell the world again. Oh, you're so beautiful, I just can't hold it in. I think we started something, I hope it never ends. I hope it never ends. Don't tell me that the good old days are over. We're two hearts running wild. On and on we'll move.
Hi guys!
It's me, Yessa,
And it's me, Joel,
and welcome to the JY Project. It's Friday morning and we're here at
Exit 55, desert. It's near towards to the border of Sharjah and Dubai. So here, as what you can see, there's a huge space for desert. Some of the things that you can do here are
camping.
you can do camping, and also a lot of them are were here already in this morning. It was quite very busy this morning. Some of them had the camping, had some night out.
I think they also watched the sunrise, so they were
Yes,
here
it's a
since
beautiful
last
sunrise
night.
here.
Yeah, just to witness the sunrise.
Unfortunately, we weren't able to capture it, but I will try to get back here maybe next week, and we'll try to go ahead and bring it to you guys. Some individuals, they do practice desert safari driving, so that's one of the key things that you can do. If you are starting to learn how to do desert driving, this is going to be a nice place for it. And of course, what we're doing,
Of course, is flying his drone.
yes. So we've done captured a lot of different footages, and please do enjoy. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do.
And click that bell button so you'll get the notifications.
And also hit the like button.
Closer, we don't have to burn out in the fire.